Pisces, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do your weeklies from 9th till 15th of November, and we will see what are the guidance messages for you in this week. Alright, so for those who are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will be able to get updated about my latest videos. And this is a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you. Okay, so let's see what is there for my Pisces from 9th till 15th of November. So the guidance messages from the Moonology Oracle cards, we are going to take them today first. Okay, so let's see what is there. What are the guidance messages now from Moonology deck for my Pisces? What message they need? A new start is coming. All right, so just be prepared for the new moon day. There might be a new start which is coming for you. Believe in the impossible. Wow, isn't this great? Like new moon and the blue moon for you, for my Pisces. This is wow, this is incredible, Pisces. So just be prepared for something impossible to come towards you, because a new start is coming your way this time. It's like this time it's going to be permanent. Okay, so let's see. Very beautiful, very, very positive. Okay, let's see what is the tarot for my Pisces. What's the tarot saying for my Pisces, please, from 9th till 15th of September. For my Pisces, 9th, we have Queen of Pentacles. This is might be dealing with a Capricorn. This is someone, you know, this message from a new start is coming your way. I'm really getting, and the Queen of Pentacles, I'm really getting that, you know, it's something which is very luxurious. Like if you are going towards something like more of a luxury, more of this is more about your love relationship, which I'm talking about right now. But I'm really getting that feeling where you know, you will never get something until and unless you will not work for that thing. You know, your efforts are required right now at this particular moment. If you want a new start, if you want a new life, if you want to be happy, you have to put efforts in everything. Things will not come towards you, never. It's not like that. Okay, the door is open, but you have to go, you have to walk from that door, then only things will happen the way you want. Okay, so let's see what else do we have. Pisces, please. Pisces. Okay, let's see now. We have Page of Pentacles and the Two of Wands. So might be dealing with a person who is in a long-term relationship with you, are with someone who is in a long relationship, and you know, you both might be one person. I'm really getting that one person is learning new things, might be in college or might be in school again. So you both are at different places. Both are doing their own work, learning, college, something like that. So it is a long distance relationship, which I'm getting. Three of Swords, 10 of Wands, the Empress, Ace of Pentacles, 8 of Swords, and 10 of Cups. So you both dealt with something really bad. I'm really getting this is the past energies of both of you. You know, there were betrayals in your person's side as well, plus there were a lot of responsibilities, a lot of heavy-heartedness in your part as well. Pisces, you know, you both were dealing, like, you know, there was a betrayal, there was something, a lot of sadness in both of your parts. But right now, if you both are with each other together. So I'm really getting that there is a sense of nourishment, there's a sense of caring with each other. It's a new start, and that is why a new start is coming. And we have the Ace of Pentacles, which actually means the new start. This is a very stable, this Ace of Pentacles is the best ace in all the four aces, because in this ace it is actually stable. It lasts long. It is not just come and go energy. No, it really lasts long. With the Empress, this is more about a growth which is together. So you both will together grow with each other. You know, you are going to help them, they are going to help you. It's a really beautiful bond. The only problem is long distance, and there are some restrictions in your side as well as in your person's side, but love is there. Restrictions are there, long distance are there, but you know, this is a very beautiful bond which both of you actually share with each other. Ten of Pentacles, Death, Strength, and Hierophant. Wow. So a lot of strength. You know, if you want to really continue this relationship with each other, a lot of strength, a lot of efforts are required. So that is why I just told you, like, a new start is coming, and believe in the impossible. So things will happen only when you will apply efforts. The door is open in front of you, but you have to walk past that door. Then only you will be able to see the new world, whatever the God has actually kept for you. So you have to work for your problems, then only things will settle. Okay. And regarding with this Ten of Pentacles, your future energies, Ten of Pentacles with the Death, I'm really seeing that there is a beautiful transformation in both of your lives. Financially as well, you are going to help each other, and this is a really beautiful thing. The only problem is the past. Okay, so if you are, or your person is dealing with a bad past, try to help each other out. And the restrictions in which you are in, plus the long distance, is a problematic thing over here, Pisces, and nothing else. Financially wise, I'm seeing it's like a growth for each other. You are going to help each other. There's a lot of, the best part, Ten of Cups, Ten of Pentacles, Ace of Pentacles, all the best cards of the deck are here right now in your reading, Pisces. Wow. So this is a beautiful, happy family, financially wise, emotional wise. Okay, so this is, see how this beautiful family, they're enjoying with each other. And see this as well, the stable family with all the, you know, financially stable. They have a dog, children, you know, see this small one, see how happy they are. This is something which you both desire, which you both want with each other. So that is why things are really going to happen your way this time, Pisces. Okay, so just stop dreaming and start doing now. It's time to just, you know, just stand up and start walking towards that door, because you are really going to get the love of your life. Whatever you have desired from such a long time, the things are going to happen your way now, Pisces. I'm really getting that feeling over here. Wow. Let's see what else do we have. King of Swords, the World, and Four of Cups. Okay, so I'm really getting one more thing, that things, the bad things which you were not able to end easily are really going to end. Okay, so bad negative energies, after this new moon, okay, after the coming new moon, things will actually start changing in your part. So really just go on with your life the way you are doing. Everything is fine in the relationship. Just let the things complete first, then start something new. Okay, if there is some kind of a pending decision which needs to be taken, some pending law case or anything else, anything, okay, any person's health issues, so let the things finish first. That is the advice from tarot. Then only move further in the, if you want to take it in a serious note, this relationship. Okay, so what are the signs which we have? We have Capricorn, Taurus, and Virgo. We have Sagittarius energy, Libra, Taurus again, Taurus, Cancer, Scorpio, Aries, Scorpio, Pisces, Taurus again, and Leo. Okay, so that is all from my side, Pisces. I hope it helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.